apologizing when you were a child? How many times did your parents apologize to you because they were wrong? Many times they claimed they were correct. They claimed they were right in everything they were doing. But the truth is, as the parent, you are not infallible. It is not sign of weakness when you apologize to your child, but it shows that you are a healing parent when you do. Maybe when you yelled, maybe when you screamed at your child, you just apologize and say, "Baby, I'm sorry." Many times we correct the children in our homes to say, don't say sorry, rather say, "I am sorry," by taking ownership for what you have just done. Unconsciously, because we weren't raised that way, we tell the children sorry when we hurt. But they say, "Mommy, no, that's not the way to do it." You say, "I'm sorry." And at that instant, we quickly adjust and say, "I'm sorry." Because we have taught them that that's the way to do it. Because we never received it, it might be hard to do it. So one thing you want to do to yourself is to begin to learn to apologize to your child when you go wrong. Because as an intentional parent, you really can go wrong. And when you go wrong, take ownership and make sure that you do what? You correct yourself. That will teach your child that you take ownership of all of your decisions. And the truth here is, when you apologize to your children, it teaches them emotional repair, especially when you yell at them. And it makes them to know that I can also make mistakes, but I can learn from my mistake and take ownership of my mistake. When last did you apologize to your child? Did this resonate with you? If yes, be intentional. Take step today by taking conscious step to do it. Apologize to your children so you can heal. Have an amazing day.